built on the power of play. These worlds are sure to inspire. If you're looking for an exhilarating sensory thrill ride, step into Mission Space, where you and your flight crew can sign up for one of 2 out-of-this-world missions. And just next door is the new Space 220 restaurant, where you can lift off and enjoy stellar dining in space. At Test Track, you can experience the exhilaration of test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney. Across the lagoon is World Showcase, where you'll find representatives from the host country, making this a truly international day. Some exciting new adventures from around the world are coming to France, Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight at the lagoon to celebrate together during our lifetime. There's even more for you to explore. They come around to the world of imagination. Inside those glass pyramids, our regional spark, a journey into imagination with Disney, and experience your favorite short film like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival. Next is the land, where you can celebrate Earth's rich diversity. The land is also home to Soarin', a free flying adventure across the wonders around the world. Here in the sea, you'll be able to meet some of your favorite undersea pals from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo.